Okay, so this is a video about how to turn your outline into a paper. So first, this is through Writable, so you want to make sure you click on this link. If it says expired like mine does, you just click reload, and then it won't show expired, like so. Load it, and then the Writable will open up, and then there will be a spot to write your essay. I'm not going to do that because it won't show you the student side. So we're going to assume that this is where Writable wants me to write my essay. It's a Google Doc. So I'm going to come over here to my outline, and then you just start copying and pasting like so. And then that's one paragraph, so then I want to indent it, and I'm going to press return. And then I just want to make sure that it makes sense, so I would read it out loud to myself, which I've already read it out loud to you guys in the previous explanation video, so not going to do that here. And then I'll do the next one. Okay, and you get the gist. Okay, so I've gone through, I've copied and pasted everything over, I've read it out loud to make sure it makes sense. This is how long it is, but now just because I want it to look good, so I'm going to put it in double spaced, like you should always do for every essay you write. I'm also just putting it in Calibri, like most papers are. And then double spaced, and voila! That ends up being how many pages? 4 pages. Wow. Okay, so that was a 4-page little paper there. Wow, that's a long paragraph. I don't like that long paragraph. So now I'm actually just going to go back through and make things quicker. Old Major eventually dies, and Napoleon and Snowball take over leading the rebellion. And begin to show signs of becoming like man and being bullies. Well, becoming evil. They need, so it was agreed without further argument. And then I'm going to take that away as time wears on. I'm a very wordy writer. But this is what writing's all about, is deleting stuff. Okay, that's a little bit less. But anyway, so that's how it's done. That's what you do. So now it's 3 pages. That's a little bit more like it. So that's how you write a literary analysis essay. So good luck. After you finish, make sure you do a self-revision and then go and review 3 other people's essays.